Hi, this is Art with OCRV in Anaheim, California. So we also handle commercial truck and collision repair here, do body and paint, and then also we have large frame straightening capabilities. So this truck it's I think a 2015 International Max Force truck, and it's been in a front end collision, and the radiator and air chargers have all been damaged, and some front frame damage here. So we've got this apart, got all the parts ordered. So we'll get this thing back together in a hurry for the customer, because it's a commercial truck and they need their truck back to work. So anybody out there that needs commercial truck repair, we'll always put you in front of someone to make you happy and get your work done. So give us a call at OCRV in Anaheim.